Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today, I have an electric kettle with a very specific problem. When plugged in, the indicator light turns on, but the water doesn't heat up at all. Even the current meter shows zero load. Many people think a glowing light means the kettle is fine, but the real power happens at the heating element. After disassembling the base and testing the heating coil with my meter, I found that the internal element is completely burned out. In this case, since the element is integrated into the kettle's base, it cannot be replaced separately. Today, I'll show you how to diagnose this unfixable fault so you know exactly when it's time to recycle your kettle. Let's take a look.
How would I say I love you without any words? Maybe I'd hold out my hand and squeeze it over yours. Maybe you'd laugh and I'd feel stupid, or maybe you'd cry and I'd feel bad. Isn't a chance on earth